Here we have a Volkswagen T-Roc. It's a 1.6 litre TDI SE 115 PS. Now the car's looking great and it has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, lane assist, radar sensor, control distance monitor, a city emergency brake, a light and vision pack, a driver alert system, and these 17-inch Kulmbach alloy wheels. Now the boot's huge, and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has 2-zone climate control, a multi-device interface, and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.